Hello everyone and welcome to 5443 Durant Drive, located in the community of Maplewood in Port Orange, Florida. Today we're taking a look at a 2-bed, 2-bath manufactured home. Straight down your carport area here is your storage shed and laundry area. Nice size little storage shed, stackable washer dryer. Let's go ahead and take a step inside and check this out. Stepping inside here, a nice stainless steel refrigerator, stainless steel gas stove top, dishwasher, right through your dining area, living room. Kitchen dining area has a nice wood tongue and groove ceiling. It's pretty cool. Straight down the hallway here, to your right is your first bathroom. Stand-up shower. Right through here is your first bedroom. Nice size closet. Back down here to the right is your master bedroom. Also with a decent sized closet. Your second bath. The walk-in stand-up shower. Take a walk down here, right back through the living room. Straight on out to your Florida room. So come on down, check this one out. It's 5443 Durant Drive in the community of Maplewood in Port Orange, Florida.